I became a Republican because I was needed. Bottom line. When Governor Holshouser here in North Carolina became the first governor since, oh, God knows, I don't know, since certainly the 1800s, your judges in your precinct chairs are determined by who is the governor, or at least at that time. So when we had a Republican governor, we then needed a Republican registrar, and I stepped up to the plate. I'm not even sure how old I was, but I think I was in high school, just barely 18. Yeah, just barely 18. And so I started registering people all the time, everywhere. They literally took my pads and stuff everywhere I went. All you need to do is show me a driver's license or a bill or credit card or something. I mean, a bill that shows your address and your name. We're good to go. And I registered people all over the county. When I walked in the door as the registrar, there are 2 judges each party, and then there are people that you hire beyond that to help you count. When I was registrar, we had a ballot box. When I was registrar initially, I had to sit for almost 24 hours in a place that did not, in November, have heat. Barely had a toilet. So when I get confusion about moving it to Soul City, I have AC, heat, and air conditioning and toilets. What is the problem? But yes, of course, there was a problem. But I eventually got it done. I'm just saying, it was in a raggedy A building in Drury, North Carolina. So I felt a real obligation to modify how things were done. Now, let's be clear. I knew that one person, because the grapevine travels, I knew that one person that I was dealing with, the judge in my precinct, was a Klan member. So that was very interesting. And he would frequently, first time that I was there, try to tell me, well, normally, Charmaine, we do that. Well, thank you so much, Mr. According to the rules on page paragraph so-and-so, it says we need to do this. I think we should do it like this. Okay? I could be very good at setting the rules because I was in charge. That helped a lot. And I've read the book backwards and forwards. There's no way you're catching me. I'm going to make sure. And I saw how people definitely could change the votes. So thank goodness, one of the people that was a judge was an African-American female who happened to work for the Soul City Company. So I made sure that I had Margaret at one table and Mr. So-and-so at the other table. And that I recruited African-Americans to help in the counting process at the end of the day. So I knew I had at least one person at each table that I could count on. There's no way you can modify and change because there's a double checking order and so forth. Okay. But those were some long days.